essential. Water, essence of life.
Oh, that's one of the main things when you're traveling, because you consume quite amount of water.
So we can always carry our water if we cannot park next to the water fountain. Then we do have a hose.
And for that we have all the couplings that usually you can find in Europe. So with these we have been always able to connect our hose. These keys that we have here are different kind of keys for water taps. Basically this is the most common outlet you can find. So I think 80% of the outlets that we have found is this one. This has been savior. Like you can connect this to any, doesn't have any threads. So you can connect this and just make it tight. We haven't carried a lot of tools with us. Only that we have used this French, this one, and multi-tool. And one of the most essential flashlight. Good flashlight. And also the bungee cords. You have always something that is making noise, or you carry something that is moving, so you can secure it with these, and really easy.
10 few household items how you keep the van clean.
We are living in so small space that it gets really cluttered really fast, and also we don't have a porch, so the sand comes in really easily. One of the major things that you have to have is a brush, so you can brush easily all the dirt from the floor. Have really good rock. When we moved the van, we had one problem. Where we put our shoes, the floor was full of shoes, so we just bought this really cheap box from the IKEA, and every time we don't use shoes we throw them there. And also it's kind of neat looking. These microfiber towels, and these are must on our journey because we go swimming almost daily, and if we would have normal towels they would be wet all the time. So this one, when you come from the swimming, you just hang them for 15 to 20 minutes outside and they are totally dry. Clothesline here, just a normal rope. Also cloth picks, and this IKEA thing that goes so we can dry our socks easily. From our hiking time we have learned to have a shit shovel. Dig a hole, do your business, don't leave a mark that you have been there. How much solar, how much battery? 200 amp hours of batteries, 300 watt inverter, which is enough for our laptop usage, and straightening iron for the stars here. There's always some loss on electricity when you are using the inverter, so everything else is powered by USB or 12 volts. We have a 140 watt solar panel on our roof, and with that and the alternator of the car charging our batteries, we can easily be off grid for several weeks if it's sunny.
Yeah.
The only thing that we need plug power is for rendering videos, which is really energy consuming job, so otherwise we would easily be off grid for forever. Yeah. with our system. We are basically relying 90% of the time outside of Scandinavia re-Wi-Fi's. So that's why we bought this Wi-Fi extender. We can get, if we have line of sight, we can get Wi-Fi almost 2 kilometers away. And the Wi-Fi's passwords, even they are protected usually with passwords, they are really easy to know or guess. Basically there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a phone number, restaurant name plus some numbers, or just restaurant name.
Year number is very common.
Yeah, restaurant name plus year number.
They are really lazy with the year number, so it might be like 2015.
Really inexpensive option to extend your Wi-Fi. The name starts with motorhome and something. Motorhome spoons. Yeah. They are €5 per piece, but if it's just a spoon, it's 50 cents. The same thing about this. This is normal modem extender, €30, and there's motorhome Wi-Fi extenders sold that are basically just
Same product.
and they cost easily 200 euros.
Safety. We have few extra locking mechanisms in our car. We lock our front doors with a wire when we are sleeping and when we leave the car alone. And also we have these extra locks in our back door and our side door. And also we have a fire extinguisher here and a carbon monoxide detector and fire alarm.
One essential in our traveling is the LPG system that we installed. It's a fillable LPG system that we can fill from the normal like gas stations, and it's been really must have.
Now that we have a refillable tanks, it's really easy because you don't have to wait when the gas is run out. You can always fill whenever.
Same, yeah. You fill the diesel and at the same time you fill the LPG also. We have now consumed in the last 6 months on a winter time over 300 liters of LPG. So buying those 20-liter bottles every country, a different bottle would be really much hassle and really expensive.
Please turn on your notifications.
So you don't miss any Vantastic episode.